How to fix live option missing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix live option missing on TikTok. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch TikTok app. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right corner and now select setting in privacy. Scroll down. Select report a problem. Choose live option and now choose hosting live. Tap on how to start a live. Scroll down and now select no button. Select need more help. So you can easily type in the feedback on this feedback box like dear TikTok, my live option is missing and I would like to go live. Please enable this feature. Thank you. You can even add a screenshot of the issue if you have got and select the send button at bottom right and submit it. Wait for TikTok response around 24 hours. Or you can see the reason that live is currently unavailable due to followers requirement and other reasons, so you can easily watch it and fix your issues. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.